I'm here. It's time for wash day to start. It's like 10:30. I am rocking my day 7 blowout hair. Okay, blowout hair with flexi rod set. And honestly, I could probably stretch it another day, but since I had the blow on in for 3 weeks and then the set in for another extra week, it's been like 4.5, 5 weeks since I washed my hair, so it's time. I'm gonna be trying, oh shoot. I'm gonna be trying this Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco. No, you guys. Shampoo and conditioner and intense moisturizing thing, but I'm just realizing that I got conditioner and conditioner. Oh, this is disappointing. Okay, I'm gonna have to try something else today and keep this one on the back burner. Okay, take 2. I'm gonna be trying the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus coconut oil shampoo, conditioner, and curl milk for thick curly hair. Rich, creamy, and wholesome is the line that they go for. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back to the beauty supply. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay. Say hi, baby. We have a little belt on and everything, and I'm all cute with my visor. Y'all, I don't know what's more stressful than walking with a puppy who wants to say hello to everyone and everything that he encounters. Everything. And all movement is very important. I don't know why it just came out like with an A. King, come here. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on. Ooh. Come on. The sun hits though. Come on. And also, I'm in like the most. Oh, he's calling. I gotta go. Come on. That's my puppy. Like, you see how this is just constantly tight? Kane. So every time he pulls, we stop, and he's supposed to sit down. Kane, sit down. Sit down, Kane. Yes, good job. Okay, come on. And he's kind of getting better. But yeah. Such a beautiful day. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to admire my skin. I always remember the times where my skin looked so terrible to me. And so I want to take this moment to remember how much I love my skin right now, how much I feel like I'm glowing. I got my Naturallysage sunscreen on. Hey baby! I switched over to trying the one by Naturallysage, and it seems to not be clogging my pores like the other one. I have like a couple marks because I'm still getting over the picking my face thing. Like, I'm getting a lot better where I don't even touch my face at all, but I still kind of have to practice. Okay, can you sit down for me? Okay. Sit down. You're embarrassing me. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you. Y'all, he is not a reward treat dog. He does not enjoy treats as a reward. While we were on the walk today and many other walks, he doesn't really take treats. If he does a trick or like if he sits down and he's being really good, I like to try and give him these like little bite-sized treats, but he doesn't take them. He just kind of puts them in his mouth and spit it out. I've never come across a dog like this. So my friend suggested that I do play rewards, so I can bring like a toy and see if that is something that he likes better, because he's definitely a playful dog. He loves playing, and I could get him to play and be hyped pretty much at any moment. Look how cute you are. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. I'm just waiting for Tristan to be done playing basketball. So I'm gonna look up some food places and see if I can find a place that is dog friendly so we could just sit somewhere over here, because like I'm ready to eat like 30 minutes ago.
All right, sit still, don't move, okay?
Did you give it to him?
No, I ate it.
Yeah, Daddy never gives you any food. Any food.
Now when he's bad. You gonna sit? Now? Good job.
It's such a big baby. Hi, cutie. Give him a fry.
You want me to get my fry?
Yeah. Good job. Look, they give you a little bowl and everything. Look at you, how cute. You comfy? Oh, baby. You comfy? Okay, so I didn't properly end this video. I'm editing it right now, and I made the kale chips, but I never did anything after that because I burnt them, and I just got so upset about it that I was like, I'm done filming today because my kale chips are burnt. I understand there's bigger problems in the world, but I am going to try and do my best to share my failures as much as my successes, because there are a lot of them, but they're just not seen as much. So I'm going to try and push myself out of my comfort zone a little bit and just share times where things didn't work out the way that they were supposed to. Like, I'll be like, hey, I'm going to do this, and then I won't say anything afterwards because I just decided not to do it. It's really important to me to be seen as a human being, because as a person who also consumes content and media from online, for me, it doesn't feel good to see somebody's life be portrayed in a way that feels so unreal and unobtainable. And so I just want to bring some realness and be like, yeah, like this is it. This is what I'm working with. This is what we got. And I want to be like, oh yeah, she's cool. We can kick it type of thing. Like, we're just chatting. We're friends. You know, you and me. Like, we're having a conversation. So if we're not getting that vibe, honestly, guys, just let me know in the comments. I really appreciate you for watching my videos. I'm really enjoying vlogging and actually editing the vlogs. If you know me at all, you know that I hate editing. So I'm loving doing it for y'all. And I hope you guys are loving watching it as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Naturally Sage.